Everybody, today we will do next questions of class 7th maths chapter 5 exercise 5.1 lines and angles. Question is in the following figure is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Give reason. Check. What are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are those who have common arm and common vertex. Now check. They have common arm or vertex. Angle 1 and angle 2. They have common arm. Now check. Also they have common vertex? No, they have no common vertex, so they are not adjacent angles. We will write it as angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles because they have no common vertex. Now next is find the values of angles x, y, z in each of the following. Now check. These are intersecting lines. We know that if the lines are intersecting, then opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angles are y and z, x and 55 degrees. So x is equal to 55 degree because these are vertical opposite angles, because these are vertically opposite angles. Now next, check. This is a straight line. This is a common arc. X and Y makes a linear pair. We know that the sum linear pair is equal to 180 degrees. So X plus Y is equal to 180 because this pair makes a linear pair. Now X is 55 degree. So Y is equal to 180 minus 55. That is equal to 125 degree. Now y is equal to z because these are also vertical opposite angles. Angle z is equal to angle y, that is equal to 125 degree because these are vertical opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. We know that vertical opposite angles are equal. So z is also 125 degree. Next is find x, y, z angles in this figure. Now check. This and this, these both are intersecting lines and angle z and 45 makes an vertical opposite angle. So these both angles are equal. So angle z is equal to 40 degree because these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now check. This is a straight line, this is a common arm and y and z makes a linear pair. So y plus z is equal to 180 degree because this pair makes an angle, this pair makes a linear pair. So y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Z is 40 degree, y plus 40 is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140 degree. Now what is angle x? Now check. This and this both are intersecting lines and angle y or this complete angle makes vertical opposite angles. So angle y is also equal to x plus 25 degree because this complete angle means x plus 25. makes vertical opposite angles with angle y. So y is equal to x plus 25 vertically opposite. Angle. Now y is 140, x as it is plus 25. X is equal to 140 minus 25, that is equal to 105 degree. Question is fill in the blanks. These blanks are based on the previous questions we have done already. The first blank is if two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is. We have already studied about that complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degrees. So here the answer is 90 degrees. If two angles are supplementary, then sum of their measure is. Supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degrees. Two angles forming a linear pair are. Linear pair is equal to 180 degree, and we know that supplementary angle makes a linear pair. So here is two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180 degree. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a adjacent and supplementary. If two angles adjacent as well as supplementary, then they form a linear pair. If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. Next is if two lines intersect at a point, if one of pair vertically opposite angles are acute angles, then other pair of vertical opposite angles are obtuse. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel MN Maths Classes. Thank you.